Cut hole. Refer to cutout dimensions table for appropriate size, with a drywall saw. Separate the fixture body and junction box. Open the junction box and remove one of the knockout on the side. Feed the wires from the electrical source through the hole. Use the wire nuts to connect the wires according to the color, then close the junction box. CCT selectable. Choose the color temperature what you desire. You can choose the color from 2700K to daylight 5000K. Place the electrical box through the cutout hole in the ceiling and position it where desired. Connecting the electrical box to the LED downlight by twist the two parts of the connector in opposite directions. Flip both clips up and insert into the ceiling. Gently push the LED downlight upward until the trim is flush with the ceiling surface.